look, I'm wearing gold too. Like, I promise you I didn't plan that. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Thank you so much for watching. If you are a returning subscriber, my bad about last week. You know, sometimes we have to take mental breaks and, you know, recoup. I'm back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, we're trying out new makeup. You guys seem to really like when I try more affordable brands. So in this video today, we're going to be trying a couple new products that I picked up from the lip bar. If you guys are interested in knowing which products those are, then just keep on watching. Y'all feeling this hair? Like, she's a whole freaking vibe. I've always wanted short hair, but let me tell you, when you have short hair, you don't want it. So a wig it is, you feel me? Yeah, she cute or whatever. I already completed my base off camera. Let's move on to these new products though. So first product that I'm gonna move on to is this brow product. Now this is the 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil in shade Arch Nemesis. Okay, lip bar. It's vegan and cruelty free. One of the interesting things about the lip bar cosmetics is that it is a female owned, yes, you heard me correctly, it's a woman owned cosmetic brand. Love supporting other women, but not only is it woman owned, but it's also black owned. And as a black woman myself, it's always good to uplift one another, you know, because, well, if you know, you know. Wait a minute, so how the hell you just, oh. So let me just go ahead and swatch. Oh, I got some makeup, some foundation on my hand. Ooh, that's looking a little light. Thank God I wore this brown colored wig. So that's the color. She's looking a little light, but you know, we will make it work because I'm an artist, okay? I can do this. You probably can't tell because of my lighting. Let me switch out my lens real quick, okay? I just threw on my macro lens real quick just so you could see like the point. This is what it's looking like. I just need to grab a spoolie real quick and comb through them. So let's see how this product is. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so light. It is too light for me. Dreading that. But if I go light-handed with it, I'm hoping it's not gonna be too light, because I find like anything that's too light, it pulls up really red on me. But I do have this brown colored hair on, so it might not look as bad. Just gonna outline my brows and then fill in the center. Just gonna take a spoolie and brush through that. I can't believe my eye is watering. Like, my eyes have been going through it. That's why I took a break from makeup last week, because I can't. I have like all of these little micro bumps on my lid. I don't know what that's from, but I am mad at it. What I don't like about this is that I have to use another brush to comb out my brows, because I'm the type of person, the way I do my makeup, I would never just fill in my brows and then go straight in with a brow mascara, like a brow gel. I don't have brows, let's just be honest. So it takes a little bit more manipulation for me to get a good brow. So I think that this product would be really good for somebody who already has like natural full brows. And the owner of Lip Bar Cosmetics, Melissa Butler, yeah, she has really pretty brows naturally. I can see how this product would be like part of the Fast Face collection. If you didn't know, Lip Bar came out, they expanded their collection. Instead of just lip products, they actually expanded into eyeshadows, foundation. Yeah, they've got a whole Fast Face essentially. These brows are not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna tweak them a little bit, but let's talk a little bit more about Lip Bar Cosmetics. So yeah, Melissa, she is so sweet. Like, I've never met her in person, no, but just seeing her interaction on like her lives and seeing her speak at like public events, she just seems really down to earth, just like a really sweet woman. I actually had the pleasure of speaking with her briefly on the Lip Bar Instagram page, because if you guys didn't know, your girl is published in Oprah magazine. I did a feature. The article was about drugstore makeup, like what's my one of my favorite drugstore makeup brands, and I mentioned Lip Bar because I really enjoy their lip products. So I was like, let me go ahead and, you know, tag them in my Instagram post. That's just what we do, right? That's just what everybody does. Honey, if I make it, you make it, right? And I was proud of myself for getting it. I still am. Don't get it twisted. Like, I'm proud of myself for being, you know, a recurring makeup artist in, you know, O magazine. She immediately, you know, like typed me back and was like, oh my gosh, please send me this article. I'll try to insert the article on the screen somewhere. But yeah, it was just like a really nice moment for all of us, everybody involved. Like, I was excited that I got an O magazine, and I was even more excited that Lip Bar reposted me, you know. For the sake of this video, it was just only right that I had to try out the rest of, you know, the collection. Now, I know this is not the rest of the collection, but it's a good feel for the products. I'm not rich by any means, and I'm not on anybody's PR list. So I bought all of these products with my own money, and yeah, it's just like I said earlier in the video, it's just really nice to support other brands, especially those that are woman owned and, you know, Black woman owned. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take this side right here. This is the brow gel. I'm gonna take the brow gel and just comb that through my brows. Ooh, I like that. Y'all see what that just did there at the front? Do you see how it just kind of made me look like I've got feathered brows? Here for that. And I love how the brush is really small, so you can kind of like fine tune it. It's not watery, like the texture of it all is really nice. That's my fault though. That's not this product's fault. Okay. See? Quick, easy little fix. Nothing major. I do like that this is colored. I am the type of person where I enjoy a colored brow gel. I'm not really big on clear brow gel. Here's the thing. I feel like clear brow gel is good if you already have brows. And like I said previously, I don't have any brows. So this is just what I like. You know, I think I added way too much product right here, so I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm sure you guys are like, well, why do I need a brow gel? Sis, you need a brow gel because you did. No, for real though, you need a brow gel because brow gel is going to help lock that product in, and so that, you know, your brows aren't shiny and missing by the end of the day. I will give this pencil like a B. It's not gonna work for everybody. I picked up the wrong shade color, so I'm not gonna deduct points for that because that's on me. I feel like it is for somebody who already has like established brows. This isn't necessarily for somebody who has to kind of manipulate to get the correct brow shape that they want, like myself. The opacity is there. The color payoff is really well. Now we're gonna move on to eyes, because the Lip Bar came out with eyeshadows. I didn't pick up any of the eyeshadow quads that they make. However, I did pick up this quick lid one swipe liquid shadow. I'm going to add a little color in my crease real quick, just so that there's like a transition, you feel me? Now let's take this out. Can I just say that packaging wise, like the Lip Bar really knows how to do it. This just looks super pretty inside the package. So like, don't look at my nail. So I had to get it. This is called Girl Next Door. So you're supposed to just be able to do a quick swipe. Okay, opening this. My gosh, yeah, this is like super pigmented. Can you guys see that right there? Wow. Place this shadow on my lid and take a brush and pat it out. just so that it can blend better. You feel me? That's cute. Wow. This would make like a really nice topper on top of like any other shadow. This is nice. I am impressed. It dried down really quick. It says it's quick application and long lasting. That's a really pretty lid, you guys. Do you see the difference? Wow. I'm gonna take a little bit deeper color, just help with that transition. She is all the way here for this eye look. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, I also picked up a new lip liner from Lip Bar. This is in the shade Straight Lovin'. These feel really creamy, you guys. A lot of times at the drugstore, the lip liners will just feel really dry. But these are very, very creamy. I like this formula. And the color is nice. It's actually like a true representation of the color on the cap. Lip liners help make your lipstick last longer, and they also create dimension on the lips just depending on how you apply it. I'm the type of person that likes to use them either way, but for the sake of today's look, we're gonna use it for a little bit of definition. This is such a nice, cute look with a pop. Oh, and look, I'm wearing gold too. Like, I promise you I didn't plan it. I literally just wake up and throw on whatever I want to. I'm gonna add a little bit of a nude lipstick in the middle. Okay, nude. This is actually a really cute combo together. Wow. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm loving this foundation too, honey. Yes, get into it. So I'm back. The lashes are on. The lip gloss is popping. And this is the completed look. I hope that you enjoyed watching me try out some new products, and I hope it inspires you to go out and support other women-owned businesses. If you did find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. I hope to see you guys very soon. Take care.